On Sunday, I headed down to the 2025 Heritage Sprint, a fantastic 2-day sprint racing event for classic bikes. This year saw an incredible array of riders and machines, and in this video I'll be sharing a brief highlights of my time there. The video starts with a quick walk around of the paddock, then goes into some practice runs, and then racing. There are also some really interesting bikes on display off track, over in the tents and scattered around the paddock, so I took some footage of them and anything else that was of interest. Like always, I'm letting the action speak for itself and won't be talking over the entire video, just for the intro here. So now you know that, you can turn up the volume and enjoy the symphony. Also, thanks to the Heritage Sprint crew for having me there on the day.
I'm going to get my gloves on.
Here's what I rode here today, Harley Davidson Street Glide. It was about an hour and 45 minutes to get here. This thing was lovely on the motorway, very relaxed and wasn't stressed when I got here, but one of the cool things is I was able to bring my camera just in the pannier. So usually I have to bring the van, but today brought this along, wrapped it in a towel so it wasn't going to get damaged. And while I was in there, took my jeans off, put my shorts on, and stood my jeans and jacket and all that in the panniers. So loads of room in there. If you're into this sort of thing, we've done a few videos on this bike recently, so it's definitely worth going to check them out on the channel.
Red, white and blue is mine, but now I'm sure it's a heavy bike when it wants to go.
I think one of the quickest times is going to be done by the guy on the far side. I think it's a 600, Yamaha 600.
What was that?
No, because it takes the gulp at starting.
They've got a sliding clutch on there, but in the day, famous all over the world, that is. It's raced all over the world, that is. That was the first ever. It was only the second
Number 8, Brian for a gun again. On this Triumph Race 500.